Hello everyone! We bet you already know what non-fungible tokens are, so in this video we will deepen your knowledge of them and answer the most frequently asked questions about NFTs from a business perspective. Let's go! How to issue NFTs? You can create and issue your non-fungible tokens through an NFT marketplace. The most popular platforms at the moment are OpenSea, Rarible, Axie Marketplace, SuperRare and Foundation. All you need to do is to sign up on the website, log into your wallet, add your digital item and submit it. You will fill out forms about the name of the item, write its descriptions, attach a file, set prices and agree on the percentage of royalties. Then the platform will generate a certificate of authenticity, meaning that your NFT is created. Another way to issue an NFT is to build your own NFT marketplace. It is a preferable option if you have a very particular type of digital works to be tokenized or if you want to target a specific audience. In this case, you will need to conduct a competitive analysis, do a discovery phase, select the right blockchain and interoperable wallet, choose the token standard and finally develop your own platform. Once your NFT marketplace is up and running, you can use it to issue your NFTs and allow other content creators to publish their works there. How much does it cost to mint tokens? The price depends on the platform that you've chosen to mint your tokens on. Typically, after you have created your NFT, the marketplace charges a minting fee, which often starts at $70. Many platforms do not charge fees to the creators of the tokens. However, they will require to pay fees for selling crypto. For example, if you decide to publish and sell your artworks on OpenSea as a first-time seller, you will have to pay 2 transactions gas fee to set up your account. But you won't need to pay fees to mint each individual item until the item is sold. This kind of payment system, when the NFC is created on sale, is called lazy minting. You, as a seller, will pay a gas fee when you accept the offer. The Rarible marketplace has also recently integrated a lazy minting feature into the platform. It enables artists to easily dive into the digital collectible space and create NFTs at virtually no cost. NFTs are minted at the time of purchase and the buyer pays the gas fee. According to the Rarible analytics, the current gas price for minting one ERC-71 token is 0.39 Ether, which is equivalent to $159.28 as for October 28. Can I buy NFTs for fiat money? Yes, several NFT platforms do provide this payment option. The first NFT marketplace to offer direct fiat payments was Gemini's Nifty Gateway. In October 2021, FTX, a US-regulated cryptocurrency exchange, launched its NFT marketplace, which also allows users to fund their wallets directly from their bank accounts or by credit card. OpenSea, in turn, does not yet accept payments in fiat currency. But the platform creators recently teased the users with a tweet that some features, including direct fiat payments, will appear real soon. As for the most other NFT marketplaces, they usually offer to buy and sell NFTs with cryptocurrency. If you are planning to build your own NFT platform, you can implement a fiat payment method. It will be no problem. Do I need to have a crypto wallet to create, buy and sell NFTs? Yes, you will need to set up a crypto wallet to create, sell and purchase non-fungible tokens. Once you've selected a platform, you will see a list of wallets that the marketplace supports. Then, set up a preferred one and start using it to fund your account and pay for purchases. For example, if you choose OpenSea, you can consider MetaMask, Coinbase, Portis, Fortmatic. To buy NFTs from exchanges, you will need to download Block2 wallet. Rarible offers many wallet options, including Coinbase, MyEtherWallet, Portis, Taurus, and others. Can I resell NFTs on the secondary market? Of course you can. First, you will need to find a convenient marketplace for your NFT auction. If you want to resell your token through the platform when you initially bought your NFTs, it will be very easy, as you already have an account and a crypto wallet. However, if you choose another platform, you will need to register and install the appropriate wallet. Next, you go to the secondary market section, select the type of sale, fixed price or auction, set the price or minimum bid, and you're good to go. How to check NFT's authenticity? There are 2 ways. The first one is to do your own research. You can Google for the information about the artwork, find out when it was created. what was the initial price and if there are any variations of it. Then check the token creator's social media page and try to find their news about their token listings. Also, search their NFTs on other marketplaces. Red flags. First, the NFT you want to buy is being sold on multiple platforms. Second, the NFT has too many variations. Third, dramatic price difference between the initial sale and secondary sale. And fourth, token price is way too low. Another way is to use NFT authentication tools. Since NFTs are quite expensive, it is important for buyers to make sure that they are purchasing the original artwork. Aware of this problem, blockchain companies have developed special NFTs authenticity checkers. We hope we managed to cover the most important questions regarding NFTs. If you want to know more, drop your ideas and requests in the comments section. Besides, you can visit our blog for more in-depth information on NFTs, their use cases, and the blockchain world in general. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!